Hello and welcome to HW News. Globally, coronavirus has infected 90,72,657 people and 4,71,177 people have died. In India, as of now, there are a total of 4,25,282 cases of coronavirus, whereas 1,74,387 are active cases. 2,37,196 have either been cured, discharged or migrated, and 13,699 have died due to coronavirus. Now, India witnessed a record single-day surge in COVID-19 infections, adding 15,400 cases and 455 deaths in the last 24 hours. India's COVID-19 cases per lakh population is one of the lowest in the world despite its high population density, and the recovery rate has also now reached almost 56%. Now that is what the Union Health Ministry has said. For every 1 lakh population, there are 30 coronavirus cases in India, while the global average is over 3 times at 114. Now this is what the ministry data said. Let us now move on to important news of the day. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal today said that the government is going to help patients get oxygen very easily through a phone call. The government, he also said, has more than tripled its testing level, which is going up from 5,000 to 18,000 tests a day, most of them through a rapid testing process that yields result in around 30 minutes. The fresh measures were announced as Delhi overtook Tamil Nadu to become the state with the second highest number of coronavirus cases in the country after Maharashtra. He said that the government will be providing pulse oximeter, a special machine to measure oxygen levels in blood at home so patients can request for oxygen even before they have breathing difficulties. The district authorities have been provided with oxygen concentrators, a medical device that assists people who have low level of oxygen in their blood. Now, depending on the patient's condition, they may then be moved to a hospital. But meanwhile, they will be provided oxygen on a phone call. That's what Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal said. Now let's move on to next news. While Glenmark Pharmaceutical has launched Favipiravir under the brand name of FabiFlu for treatment of mild to moderate cases of COVID-19, Cipla and Hetero Labs have received approvals from the Drug Controller General of India to launch generic versions of Remdesivir under the brand names Cipremi and Covifor respectively. While medical experts have cautioned against seeing these potential drugs as a magic bullet against the deadly virus, they can be very helpful in reducing the viral load. The two drugs launched by Cipla and Hetero are generic versions of Remdesivir, an antiviral drug which was first developed for treating Ebola in 2014. It is administered intravenously and inhibits viral replication in the body. Last month, the US National Institute of Allergies and Infectious Disease had released preliminary trial results showing recovery time of COVID-19 patients who were given Remdesivir improved from 15 to 11 days. The Health Ministry had approved the use of Remdesivir for mild cases of COVID-19 through an emergency authorization route. Gilead Sciences, a United States-based company, has a patent on the drug and has given voluntary license to Indian manufacturers. Hetero has said that it would supply its version of Remdesivir at 5,000 rupees to 6,000 rupees per vial, so that a 5-day treatment course should not cost more than 30,000 rupees per patient. Now, Cipla has not yet disclosed the pricing of its version. However, FabiFlu is priced at rupees 103 per tablet. Let us move on to next news. A group of residents of coronavirus containment zone in Delhi attacked policemen and civil volunteers on Sunday following an argument over barricades. According to reports, the incident took place in a containment zone in the national capital's Narayana area. Some people suffered minor injuries. The police and the volunteers had gone to distribute food and supplies. Some residents demanded that the barricades which were placed by the authorities to check the movement in and out of the zone to avoid the coronavirus spread should be removed. An argument over the issue soon turned into violence, and the WZ block of the area had reported 10 coronavirus cases, after which it was declared a containment zone. Let's move on to next news. A call on Jagannath Puri's famous Ratha Yatra can be taken by the Odisha government, the Supreme Court said today after petitions asking it to recall its earlier order banning the hugely popular festival completely. The state will assess the ground situation and if need be, it will take steps to restrict the festivities, the top court said, a day ahead of the 7-day festival is slated to begin. Soon after the order, Odisha Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik tweeted saying, Jai Jagannath and hashtag Ratha Yatra became a top Twitter trend. The Ratha Yatra from the Jagannath temple, the biggest temple of the Lord Jagannath in the coastal district of Puri, is attended by lakhs of people from across the world. But in view of the highly contagious coronavirus outbreak, the court had ordered a ban on the festival this year, saying that such gatherings cannot take place at the time of the pandemic. Earlier today, offering to impose a curfew for a day to ensure that the virus does not spread, the centre had said that Ratha Yatra is a matter of faith for crores of people and the ritual going on for centuries cannot be interfered with. That's all for COVID-19 updates today. For more news and update, you can log on to www.hwnews.in.
हमारे घरों में भी बच्चे होते हैं जो हमसे प्यार दुलार की आस करते हैं।
हमारा भी जीवन साथी है जिसको हमारे ड्यूटी से घर आने का इंतजार होता है।
हमारे घर में भी एक बूढ़ी माँ है जिनके लिए आज भी हम ही आंखों के तारे हैं।
लेकिन हम हमारे घरों में नहीं हैं। आपकी सुरक्षा में कोई कसर न रहे, इसलिए हम अपने प्रियजनों से दूर हैं।
हम में से ही कुछ तो अब इतने दूर जा चुके हैं कि वो वापस अपने घरों को लौट भी नहीं पाएंगे।
हमें गर्व है कि हमारे कंधों पे मुंबई शहर के नागरिकों की सुरक्षा की जिम्मेदारी है। हमारे जज्बे और बलिदान को व्यर्थ न जाने दे। इस संकट के समय में आप घर पे रहे, सुरक्षित रहे।
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, well, subscribe to our YouTube channel.